In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a signing link from a template in DocuSign. To get started, open the DocuSign website and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct workspace if your account has access to more than one, since that can affect which templates you see. Once you're signed in, go to the Templates section. This is where DocuSign stores reusable documents and workflows, which makes it much faster to send out forms that need to be signed regularly. From there, select the template you want to use. Take a moment to confirm that you've chosen the right one, especially if you have several templates with similar names. After opening the correct template, look for the template options. Depending on your DocuSign layout, this may appear as a menu, a button, or an actions panel. In the template options, choose Create Signing Link, or the equivalent option available in your version of DocuSign for generating a signing link. This link allows someone to open the document directly and complete the signing process without you having to manually send the envelope to a specific recipient in the usual way. Next, review the signing link settings carefully. This is an important part of the process because these settings control how the link will behave and how the signing experience will appear to the recipient. Before moving on, quickly confirm that everything looks correct for your intended use. Once you're ready, select Create or Generate. DocuSign will begin creating the signing link for that template. Give it a moment to process. In most cases, this only takes a few seconds, but it can vary slightly depending on the template and your connection. When the link appears, copy the generated signing link. It's a good idea to make sure you copy the full link so nothing gets cut off. After that, share the link with the person who needs to sign the document. You can send it through your preferred communication method, as long as it's appropriate for the document you're sending. Then, have the recipient open the link. Once they do, verify that the document opens correctly and is ready for signing. This final check helps confirm that the link works as expected and that the signer is seeing the proper document in the correct format. And that's it. You've successfully created and shared a DocuSign signing link from a template. Thanks for watching.